GTS is now the flagship, and it has the turbo's power. 2022 Porsche Macan debuts with more power but without turbo trim. This big news is obviously the absence of the turbo model, but fear not, purveyors of power. The top-tier Macan is now the GTS, but it gains the 434 horsepower version of the twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 used in the turbo. With the optional Sport Chrono package fitted, Porsche says it reaches 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, and flat out it goes 169 miles per hour. That's actually 2 miles per hour faster than the turbo, so there's certainly no performance lost in the transition. Optional for the GTS is a sport package that includes performance necessities like the Sport Chrono package and Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, but also adds a plethora of eye candy. Sport design side mirrors are finished in gloss black, 21-inch GT design wheels get high-performance tires, there are 18-way sport seats inside, and there's more black is found on the side skits as well as the front and rear fascias. Updates for the interior are similarly subtle. A redesigned center console is the primary change, offering haptic touch elements for a cleaner look while also offering more storage. A shorter gear stalk extends from the console, and the driver takes care of business with a new steering wheel adopted from the 911. In the center, you'll find a 10.9-inch touchscreen and the standard-issue analog clock. A bevy of driver assist and safety systems such as park assist, lane keep assist, and other features are available. As for pricing, Porsche says the 2022 Macan starts at $54,900. The Macan S starts at $65,400, while the flagship GTS starts at $79,000. $1,350 in delivery charges is extra across the board, and all trims will reach dealerships in early 2022.